Want to know how to fix Microsoft 365 not working on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily fix it in just under the minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, let's simply open up your Microsoft 365 application and know what's the issue. Sometimes it might be the app not working or crashing. So again, just simply hold on to its application, and here you should be seeing its app interface, just symbols like that, or app information. On the bottom right side, you should be seeing clear data, just symbols like that. And here below clear all data, select clear cache. So now once I select clear cache, select OK. And now once I've done that, as you can see right here, your cache should be cleared. Now again, just simply reopen the Microsoft Copilot application. If it still doesn't work, make sure it's updated. Just simply head towards Play Store and update it. And if it still doesn't work, you can just simply reinstall the application itself. That's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.